Good morning, guys. This is Miss Huffman coming to you from my dining room. I plan to go outside and do some fun math game with you today. It's raining, so we're going to do the activity inside. We have a game at the end of the lesson that you could take and do outside, and it's much more fun to do it outside. So, are you ready for some math? I'm ready for some math. I miss all my kiddos, and I hope that you're having a great day, even though you're stuck inside. But we're going to use our brains, and we're going to do some math. So I'm going to move the camera so that you can see math. Ooh, up close personal. So we're going to put it down that way. And I'm going to tighten it up, hopefully. Don't want it to come here. And we're going to come over here. Might have to adjust a little bit. You know, get it all right in place. There we go. So our goal today is NBT.4 again. We're going to be adding a 2-digit number to a 1-digit number. But before we start, let's look at some number cards and see if we can remember what these numbers are. See if I can get my device to work. There we go. What's that number? Does anybody know that number? 13. Excellent. What's that number? 123. And remember, leave the and out. What's that number? 154. 80. 61. Hello, Miss Street. What's that number? 59. Excellent. What's that number? 20. What's that number? 65. 139. Big number. What's that number? 103. Ooh, and now we're to our first math problem. Today we're going to take 2-digit numbers and we're going to add them to a 1-digit. So to make it easier, we always like to line these numbers up. So I've got some paper right here to do my first one. So I'm going to write 36 plus 2. So this line is like my equal sign. There's my addition sign. This is my 1 side. I'm going to put this little line down through here to divide the 2. And over here is my tens. And we've talked about tens and ones and the places that they have. So when we do the math with a 2-digit number addition, we're going to pretend like the 10 side's not there right now. And I've already got my manipulatives up here, but I also have little blocks here. So my first number is 6. So I'm going to take 6 little cubes and put there. So there I have 6. And then I have how many more I'm trying to add to it? I have 2. So I'm going to add this side up. So I'm going to grab that 6, put it in my head, and count on. So 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 ones. Over here on the 10 side, I do not have anything to add to that. So I just bring that 3 right on down. So 36 plus 2 is 38. Excellent. Now, let's see you do one. Let's do another one. Hold on. Work with me. There we go. All right, our next problem is, I'm going to get different colors because I like different colors. I'm all about color today since it's raining. So we have 71 plus 5. And again, I've got my ones over here, my quick tens. Remember how we drew those quick tens? And then over here, we've got our ones. So 71, we got our tens that make 70 and the 1. And then we have the 5. I did different colors so you could see that. All right, I'm going to put this pretend lined. When you get older, you don't have to do that. So then I have my tens. 70. I didn't do that one my first one, but that's okay. So here's the 71. And then I need 5 more. So I'm going to pretend like my tens are not there and just add up my 1 side. So 1 plus 5. Let's supersize that real fast. 1 and 5 makes 6. Excellent. And then I still have my 7 tens. So I can just bring that right on down. So 71 plus 5 is 76. Oops. We went backwards. All right, our next to last problem. We got 2 more problems. You're doing great. I'm gonna pick green this time. Oops, wrong way. All right, you have, I'll slide that up so you can see it. Just slide it right under. 92 plus 3. So I'm gonna make 92. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So there's my 90. 2. And then I need how many more that I'm adding? 3. So 92 plus 3. So I'm going to add my one side. So 2 and 3 makes 5. Excellent. And there's nothing here to add to my 9, so I just bring it down. So 92 plus 3 is 95. Oh, now it's time for our fun game. And like I said, we were going to go outside. However, it's raining. I don't do well in the rain. So this game, what you do is you go outside and you make you a really long number line. Now you can make it, in first grade, we're supposed to add within 100, the double digit to a single digit. So I just took 2 pieces of paper and I made me a number line. You would do this with sidewalk chalk outside. And then I just wrote the numbers and I just started at 23. You don't have to start at 1. I started at 23. So what your parents will do is they'll call out a number and they might say 49 and you hop all the way to 49. And then they say 49 plus 3 more and you do 3 more hops. 1, 2, 3. So 49 plus 3 more is 52. So you would tell them 49 plus 3 is 52. And then they might call out another number. They might say 40. And you go back to 40. And they say 40 plus 5 more. Guess how many hops you're going to take? 5 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also do this game with subtraction. And we'll get into that later this week. But I hope you enjoy having fun with our math. I'm going to turn this around so you can see me. Hi! I hope you enjoyed our math lesson. It was super quick, pretty easy. And my favorite part is the game. I really wish we could have went outside to play that, but we couldn't. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Love you much.